Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Janice and today I am so excited to show you how to make hazelnut and powdered sugar sandwiches. This recipe that I will be making today is so simple, it's delicious, and I recommend everyone to try it, and it's really good. So I hope you enjoy my video, and I'll be starting with the ingredients first, and then I will show you on how to make it. Okay, in order to make these hazelnut powdered sugar sandwiches, I will be using some Italian bread, but you can use any bread of your choice. I will use butter, hazelnut spread, powdered sugar to sprinkle on top of the sandwich bread once it's already made, and I will be using a strainer. And so let's get this powdered sugar hazelnut sandwiches going. Okay, so let's get this recipe going. The first thing that I will be doing today is I will be getting my slice of bread, and I will be spreading some butter onto my bread. Now, the one tip that I would like to tell everyone when you start making these sandwiches, you should take out the butter out of the refrigerator about 10 minutes before you are going to start making your recipe. The reason is because when you have the bread and then you put the butter on top of the bread, a lot of times the butter is not spreadable, so it's kind of hard to spread. So the best thing to do is to take the butter out, that way you're ready to make it. So we will put the butter on both slices of bread, and then once you have the butter spread onto your bread, and then we will put them on our pan and we will cook them on low heat. So once the butter starts to melt a little bit on the bread and it starts to get golden brown, and then I will take it out and then I'll show you what the next step is going to be. So basically we'll just let the bread cook for a little bit until it gets that really golden brown texture. So maybe about 5 minutes and I'll be back. Okay, I'm back, and now my bread is nice and golden brown, and I will put the 2 slices of bread on my plate, and then I will put the hazelnut spread on my bread. And since the bread is already hot, the hazelnut spread will go nice and smooth on the bread, and you just spread it out, spread all over the bread on both breads. And this hazelnut powdered sugar sandwiches will go great for like a little snack. You can eat these as a dessert. It's all up to you. And now I will put them back on in my pan, and then I will place my other bread on top of the other one with the hazelnut spread already in my bread, and then just let it warm up a little bit for, I would say, about 2 minutes, and then I will be back. Okay, I took the sandwich out of the pan, and now I am ready to proceed with my last step, which is the good part. I'll be putting some powdered sugar into my strainer, And then I just sprinkle it on top of the sandwich. You don't have to use a lot of powdered sugar, just to give it a little color and some sweetness to your hazelnut spread sandwich. And there is the sandwich. Okay, here is the hazelnut powdered sugar sandwich, and looks so delicious. You can have this for breakfast with your orange juice in the morning, or you can eat it as a dessert or for a snack. Well, thank you so much for taking the time of watching my video, and please give me a thumbs up if you like this hazelnut spread sandwich, and please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to watch my other videos on cooking and crocheting, and leave me some comments, and see you next time. Bye.